Yes. Good afternoon, everyone. Am I audible? Good afternoon.
Good afternoon, good afternoon, good afternoon,
Good
everyone.
afternoon. What is the time in United Kingdom at present?
This
Swamji,
is 9 o'clock, 9 o'clock
what is the
morning,
time?
9 o'clock,
9
9
o'clock
a.m.
morning. Okay.
Yeah,
9 a.m. It is 2:30 in India, so it is GMT plus 5:30 here.
yeah.
Yes, Mr. Satyaprakash Singh, am I audible?
Yes, sir. Yes.
Yes, sir. है ना? So today is very wonderful day. Na, Mr. Shubham Goyal, 2017 batch pass out is with us. So I request Mr. Satya Prakash to give a brief introduction of our alumnus, Mr. Shubham Goyal.
Okay, sir.
Mr.
Thank you,
Satya
sir.
Prakash.
Ji, sir. A very good afternoon to all the faculty members, our distinguished guests, and all the students present here. I, Satyaprakash Singh, feels honored to announce that Alumni Association of Mechanical Engineering Department, GLE University Mathura, has organized a very informative guest lecture by our alumnus, Mr. Shubham Goyal. He is a mechanical engineer and our prestigious alumnus 2017 batch pass out. He has been working for Bentley Motors since February 2018. Now he is working in Bentley headquarters in Crewe, United Kingdom. He is in Crewe since November 2019 and working as an automobile after sales design engineer on all running and old models of Bentley cars. I feel privileged that he has provided his valuable time from his busy schedule to share his experience and valuable information on role of designing skills in international market. Now I would like to hand over this session to Mr. Shubham Goyal, sir. Please, sir.
Hello, everyone. As Satya Prakash has informed about me,
Yes,
I would not say anything much. Yeah, that is how I am working here, and I am in after sales department here. So I think all of you are from third year and final year, as it was informed to me.
yes,
Is
sir.
this correct? Okay. So, how is your studies going on? First of all, I would like to ask this question.
So study is going good, and the teachers is very good and very helpful for us.
Okay. So, okay. So, okay. So, what are you doing apart from studies? Is there anything other activity that you are doing to improve your skills? See, all these studies will never help you in industry, frankly speaking and truly speaking. The study whatever you are doing in your btech timing, that is only the that will give you the just a criteria to enter in the job, but that study will never help you in the industry. Hello.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So it doesn't mean that you should not do your academics study properly,
Yes.
but definitely there is a very less role of all these 4 years study in the industry.
Okay.
Yes, but the one thing which is very important, your attitude which you
Okay.
develop throughout these 4 years study, your attitude of adapting the things, how you adapt the things, because in India, in today's scenario, there are very few guys who are doing job in their core field. So am I audible to everyone?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Please continue, sir.
Yeah. So that is what I am saying. In India, today's scenario is that very few guys are getting their jobs in their core field. Why? Because industry demands a good knowledge, and definitely you will not be having that kind of knowledge just after college. And everywhere you listen that they want experience. So how it will be possible for you to have some knowledge which is useful for industries? So for that, you should prepare yourself before getting pass out from college. So that's what I asked to you. Apart from studies, what you guys are doing? Are you preparing any kind of software, or are you preparing yourself, or are you developing some different skills which are useful in industry? So for that, you should prepare yourself. Okay, it might be anything. There are two big things in industry. One is CAD, one is CAE. CAD is what? The designing, and CAE is analysis. So either you should opt any of the field, or if you want to opt any different field, that also you can pick, like JavaScript or anything, any kind of coding language also. But being a mechanical engineer, many of us don't want to go in that field. We want to be in our own field. So for that, you should opt something different, which is not included in your curriculum. So my emphasis is to focus either on a designing software or on a analysis software. So again, there are a big list. There is a big list of designing software. So which kind of software you should choose? For that, you should do something research on Google. You should browse something what is going on. So as per my experience and my knowledge in this field, Germany is the biggest hub for automotive industry. And in Germany, there are many automotive industries. VW Group is a whole group, is a very big group under which many companies comes. Bugatti, Lamborghini, Bentley, Skoda, Audi, all these big brands covered under VW. And VW works on CATIA. Why CATIA? If you will go deep in CATIA, if you will search further, so I will just give you a very brief idea. If you consider a car, there are two kind of parts in the whole car. One is sheet metal, other is plastic. Plastic covers all the interior, sheet metal covers all the exterior.
Yes, Mr. Shubham, am I audible?
Yeah, yeah. Yes. You do you want to ask something? Okay. So I was telling about interior and exterior of a whole car. So there are two kind of parts in the whole car. One is sheet metal, other is plastic. So both kind of parts are mostly designed on CATIA, UGNX. These two big softwares are available in market to do all these kind of designing work. But VW Group has chosen CATIA and they are still using CATIA. But Mercedes recently has switched on UGNX. Before that also Mercedes was working on CATIA. So why VW Group is stick on CATIA today itself? Because CATIA is the best software for surface designing. So if you will see, all these smooth surfaces are available in the car. Okay, just tell me if you do not get any kind of terminology. I understand that you will not understand that much, but my only motive, my only intention is to make you aware about the importance of CATIA in the market. It's not about only CATIA actually, it's about learning the tool. So many of you go through many CAD centers to learn all these tools. It does not always needed to go to any CAD center or any kind of coaching. They charge hell lot of money and they don't give you anything. Seriously speaking. All that kind of knowledge is available on YouTube, and the actual knowledge which is required in industry, that is not available on YouTube or anywhere. For that, you have to pursue a course from a prestigious organization. Definitely you have to pay for that. So the basic tools you can learn from YouTube. You don't need to go to any CAT center, or you don't need to go to join any coaching. Why to waste money? Simply one of your senior has been recently passed out in 2020. He's Arnav Kulshrestha. He is in touch with me. I suggested him a course on CATIA. That course is directly from US engineers. He had to pay $300 for that, but that course is worth for $300. He's learning a lot, and the actual knowledge which is required in industry is available there. Their assignments are extremely fabulous. It's not easy to do, it's not easy to complete all those assignments, frankly speaking. So that kind of knowledge you will get those from those courses. Okay, I understand. At a student level, this cost is a big amount, but you can collaborate with each other. Five or six students can pick one course in contribution. So like that, you will know how things works. Okay, initially, knowledge matters actually. Okay, I understand. Certification also matters. Whoever will purchase that course, the certification will go to that person only. But okay, first knowledge matters. So start doing something this, either go for ANSYS or go for CATIA, and you should start it early. See, if you will realize all these things in your final year, then how much will you make this? How much will you make out of this? There will be very less time for you. Okay, so start using CATIA or SolidWorks or UGNX, and you guys are all of you are very smart to download all of these softwares with full package from Google. Everything is available in crack. So you just start learning. Everything is available for free on YouTube. There is no lack of resources available on Google. Don't waste your money by going to any kind of CAD center. First learn the basics of the tools, then go further by obtaining a good course on these kind of different tools. So now I will go back again to my point where I was regarding the industries. So two kind of parts I told you, sheet metal parts and plastic parts, right? So both kind of parts are designed on part modeling and surface modeling. And these two modules are available in CATIA, which are extremely good and extremely important to produce or to design any kind of part. So while designing, it doesn't mean that you know how to use the tool, how to use the pad or whole commands, and very several commands are there. It doesn't mean that you know to use the commands only. No, while designing the part, it should be manufacturable also. So that kind of knowledge is also required with the tool knowledge. That is what industry demands. But we never focus on these kind of things during our graduation, and after that we struggle so much. So everyone is doing BTech here. Everyone, they are doing their 4 year course, they are passing all the 8 semesters, but no one is doing something extra which industry demands in actually. So that extra needs to be done from your side to improve your skills, to improve your knowledge, so that you become, you do not become a part of crowd. Okay, so try to focus any on the designing software or any analysis software. ANSYS, I think you might be aware, many of you might be aware about ANSYS CFD. and you won't believe still I am doing a course. I am here, and you should keep learning. That's what I would say. You should always keep learning. Your attitude matters the most in the industry. Many of you think, no, I am BTech pass out. Why would I do this job? Why would I do that job? Don't keep this kind of attitude, because there are many juniors uh, in contact with me, many of my friends also in contact with me, and the thing which I noticed from everyone, they were having attitude problem. They don't want to, they are not adaptive to the situations. So you should be adaptive. Whatever is coming to you, to your path, you should adapt this. You should, you should you should transform yourself in that condition with your learning attitude, how you are learning from that situation and how you will be growing further. Okay, I know this, this all knowledge and tool knowledge and this that, all these things will work, but most of the most important thing is your attitude. How do you adapt the things? That is very important. Don't complain. Never have complaining attitude. That is very very much required in industry. Have patience. Keep working all the time. So all these very key factors are required in industry, because many of the time you will be frustrating. What is happening? I am putting so many efforts. Where I am going, where my career is leading. Don't think all this. Okay, these points are also important, but with that, you should always keep working without your complaining attitude. So attitude matters the most in industry. I have done so many different kind of jobs. Those are seriously not for an engineer. That kind of jobs are also I have done in my first company. So you should always keep learning. So my only end point is keep learning with correct attitude. Don't complain anything. Just keep learning and analyze yourself, where you are, where you were, where you will be. Compare yourself with your past position. If you will start comparing with others, oh, one of my friend got the job in this much package, I have got the job only this much package. Don't do that. And one more thing I will tell you, whatever happens happens for the good. You will not understand that thing at that moment, but this will be this will be a significant reason for understanding in future, that you will understand, okay, that happened in the past with me, but that happened for the good. So this knowledge and all these things will be always helping you in future. No knowledge get in vain. So just keep focusing, keep working, and do something extra during your BTech time. Everyone is doing BTech, but no one is doing extra. Industry demands extra, everyone demands extra. And one more thing, if a company or an organization hires you, what does that mean? They think that you are able to make some money for them. So they should get this information from you. They should get this confirmation from you that you are capable to earn some money for them. Then only they will consider you. Otherwise, okay, you have good knowledge, you have done so much good, but again, your attitude to adapt the work, your attitude to do the work is not correct. Then also industry will never hire you, because for them, see, in today's world, money is the only thing. Money matters everywhere. If you are able to generate the money, they will hire you, they will focus you. If you are not able to generate the money, they will not bother about you, because there are many person in the queue. So just keep adapting. Be positive, keep learning all the time. This is my ultimate message for all of you. And yes, focus on Katia. This is a very big tool, and the whole VW group is working on Katia only. And you know, all the VW group is the biggest group in automotive industry. But again, to learn only a single tool is not the way to get in the designing field. You should have the what to say. You should have idea about designing, how things goes on, why it is required. And one more thing, understanding matters the most in automotive industry. And one more thing I will like to add you. People think that designing means, okay, that some part is given to you, some drawing is given to you, and you are designing it on software. Okay, front view, top view, side view, sectional cut, this that. No, designing doesn't mean that only. In my current job, what I am doing here, I analyze the parts, whether this part of car will fit into the other car or not. Because Bentley is a luxury car, people pay crores for to buy a car. So they are like they are fond of cars, so they do many kind of customization in their car. So many request comes that we want that the part of that car to fit in our car. So that kind of study I do. I'm not designing part in actual. I have designed many parts in India when I was in India, but now I am analyzing the fitment, whether the part will fit to this car or not. If it is not fitting, then why it is not fitting, how we have to modify that part to get fit. So it doesn't mean that you know the tool, you know how to tackle the options, how to tackle all different small tools in the software. That doesn't only mean that you have designing skills. No. Okay. But one more thing, all these things comes with experience. All these things comes with time. So let get into uh, this software line, because this is the future, ultimate future. I'm telling you. Or one more thing. Hello. Yes. Is anyone asking something? Okay. So be focused either on any kind of extra activity which would be useful in industry. Only your academics knowledge will never help you. The academic knowledge only gives you a license to get in job. You will be having a degree. Okay, you are BTech mechanical engineer, passed out in this year. That is the only thing which engineering gives you. And the most important thing which engineer gives you, your attitude. You see throughout the 8 semesters, you get so many assignments, you get this that. After every 2 months there are exams. All these things, what are these things? Okay, all this is a part of academics activities. But apart from that, it gives you it gives you a chance to handle lot of pressure. You become a very good person in pressure handling, if you will see in this kind of way. So many times it happens that you have to devote lot of time in office, you have to devote lot of time in your company to grow, to learn. So bachelor life is the best life to grow and to learn as much as you can. It depends on your capability, how much you can grasp. So after getting into industry, you have to struggle a lot. But in bachelor life, you can do a lot of thing with you. You can decide where you want to take your career. You will be the decider only. So uh, this is the only thing which I would like to emphasize. keep your attitude right, keep learning always, and have patience. Many times result never comes uh, very soon. There are very few lucky persons who get results soon. But one thing again I will tell to you, a very sudden growth or very sudden success never will never be with you for a long time. If you are getting success in a very short time of period, it will never withstand with you. Go step by step. So don't think that you can jump very high in a single attempt or in few attempts only. That will never sustain with you. This all I am sharing my experience with you guys. That's why I am saying like this. Okay, I understand. I am saying some negative points also. I am showing the negative aspects, but it doesn't mean that I am demoralizing all of you. So my point is just keep growing, keep going, and go step by step. Don't think that you can jump very high in initial time. Things takes time. So give start think start understanding that things take time and give time to time. And don't waste so much time on these OTT platforms. This time is to learning and growing. और अभी ये कोविड सिचुएशन जो ऐसा हो गया है, अभी आप सभी को दिख रहा है, इतना डिप्रेसिंग है ये. इंडस्ट्रीज हायर नहीं कर रही हैं किसी को भी. तो इस केस में जॉब्स केवल उन्हीं को मिल पा रहे हैं जिनके अंदर बहुत ही ज़्यादा एक्स्ट्रा कोई बात है. केवल वही लोगों को जॉब मिल पा रहा है. रिसेंटली अभी मेरा एक फ्रेंड है जिसका कॉलेज से ही प्लेसमेंट हुआ था गुजरात में. उसने अभी अपनी 4th कंपनी स्विच करी है. नाउ ही हैज गॉटन L&T. ही इज ए हैचबैक डेवलपमेंट इंजीनियर. उसको जॉब मिला और उसको अभी 4 ऑफर्स आए हैं. रिसेंटली ही हैज गॉट 4 ऑफर्स फ्रॉम डिफरेंट ऑर्गेनाइजेशंस. व्हाई डिड ही गेट these many offers in this bad scenario? Because of his knowledge, because of his work which he has done in past. I know he has devoted 18 hours a day in company. That's why. So it doesn't mean. And one more thing also, you should not cheat with you. You should be knowing how you are doing, because I have seen some of the guys, they continuously cheating themselves and they think that they are making fool to their company or to their organization or to their manager. They know everything. They just keep watching you. They don't say anything to you. But one day, one moment comes, that day they fire you. So don't cheat either your company, your manager, yourself, and be loyal with your work. वो बहुत सारी मूवीज देखते होगे तुम सब लोग, तो जो एक मूवी जो डायलॉग चलता है कि कोई काम छोटा या बड़ा नहीं होता, हर काम में कुछ ना कुछ सीखने को मिलता है. इफ यू विल बी हैविंग अ लर्निंग एटीट्यूड. If you have a complaining attitude, wrong attitude, then definitely you will never try to focus on what you are gaining actually. You will always focus on what you are losing. What you didn't get. Those kind of things you will only focus. And one more thing, after working hard so much, many people don't get results. It happens. And the same time you think that, oh, I'm doing that much hard work and I'm not getting any appreciation, any appraisal. My manager is not focusing on me. That doesn't mean that your manager is not aware with this. He notices everything. But at that moment, you think, I have done this much. Might be that you think that you have done 90%. That might be only 10% in view of your manager. So keep working until he realizes what you have become now and how much you have devoted your time. And yes, results always matters. No one will ask you, no one is going to ask how many nights you didn't sleep during your BTech, how many nights you have devoted to get on this position. No one will ask. Everyone will see result only. How is your result? How much CPI you got in the end of your BTech? No one will ask. No one is going to ask how many nights you have devoted. So if you are keeping working hard, then don't forget to show it also. तो वो जो एक बात होती है ना, जो दिखता है वो बिकता है, तो वो है चीज. You should showcase your results as well. Don't do like this that you are just keeping working hard, and you are not informing to your seniors, to your managers in company. You just keep informing them and keep the record of everything. And don't forget to maintain the documents also. Again, the same thing. जो दिखता है वो बिकता है. Whatever you are doing in your company, keep daily activity track. What day, on this day particularly, from this time slot to this time slot, what did you do in your daily office activity? Keep this track on every single day. Okay, your manager can blame you any day. Oh, what were you doing on that day? What did you do from since last 2 months? You can show him. At least that time you will be having something to show him. This is what I did on that day. This is what I completed on that day. So do this habit. Make this as a habit. Keep recording your each and every single detail in an Excel sheet when you join the company. Okay, so I think I have spoken a lot. So just keep growing, keep learning with your right attitude. This is my ultimate message to all of you. Any one of you want to ask something to me? Please, you can ask.
Hello, sir. Good afternoon, sir. Aman this side.
Hi, Aman.
Sir, I'm in the final year, and I'm placed in Voltas Beko.
Oh, nice. Good, good.
Uh,
Congrats.
Sir, when I had a doubt, like many of my mates are planning to study abroad for masters, and
Mhm.
so this, like, I also had an idea. After my graduation, I'll be migrating to other country for masters. Even my
Mhm.
parents wanted me to do this. So, what is your take on this, sir? Should I continue, since I'm placed in such a reputed company? So, what
Mhm.
is your take? Should I join this company or go on with go on with my idea and my parents' belief?
See, there are again two things. Either you want to go very deep in your research area, or you want to pursue the good job only. So, what is your ultimate objective?
Sir, actually, I wanted to like join the company and grow in the company itself. And I have been into research work all through my graduation. I have published 4 research papers and all, and I'm currently working on a project, milling machine. So, what do you what I wanted and suggestion from an experienced,
Hmm. Yeah,
uh,
yeah, I understand your point. See, according to me, what would I suggest? First, you should gain some industrial experience. Okay, take it for 1 year. After that, you apply for further studies from abroad. That will give you an extra advantage to get that college, because every year there are many people coming from many different countries, and most of them come with a industrial experience. That's why they get advantage of this. if you will come directly without any industry experience, it would be difficult for you to get in particular university or particular college which you want to get in. So you will be less privileged in that if you will not be having any industrial exposure.
Okay, sir.
Yeah.
What about you, sir? Did you pursue masters or directly you were recruited from like?
No, I did not do anything after BTech, but yeah, I'm continuously trying to improve my skills. So I have joined so many courses online to improve my knowledge in this industry. But yeah, so after working in India for almost 2 years, almost 2 years I worked in India. After that, I came to UK.
Okay, thank you, sir.
Yeah.
Hello, Shivam.
Hello, sir. How are you?
Fine, fine. So I was just listening you very patiently, and I found each and every word which you told marvelous. And each and every student should follow them, because what you are saying is based on your experience, and your every insight was so thought provoking.
Yep.
I was listening very carefully,
Yeah.
and you
Yeah.
very correctly you told that learning with correct attitude.
Yes.
Yes, it matters a lot, and nothing is small or big at
Yes.
beginning and starting. And as you started very humbly, and you have approach of continuous learning.
Yes. Yes.
Learning is a lifelong process somewhat. So
Yes.
yes, I ditto, I agree with you. And also I suggest my students also, as you told, yes, lifelong learning, and always upgrade yourself, always
Yes.
very cautious. And and one thing is that जो कहते हैं ना, पूरी बात होती है, that is a correct attitude.
Yes. Yes.
Attitude, yes, always, because I have also a 4 5 year industrial experience, and then I
Yes.
come in academics, and I found that attitude matters a lot.
Exactly. Yes, sir.
100% agree with you. Each and
Because
everything which you told, yes.
yes, because your attitude, your way of talking, that reflects yourself in front of any person. That how kind of a person you are, and how you can deal with the things. On depending on that, the person in front of you who is on higher authority, he will decide what to do with you, what to give you, what to take from you. So all these things come from your language, your way of talking, your way of adapting the things.
And you talked about Katia and
UGNX.
UGN. So I
UGNX.
will try to procure those all softwares here with my students.
Yes, yes.
Currently, we have a Creo and ANSYS we are having. I think you have worked with ANSYS here itself.
Yes, yes. Yeah, I have worked. Yes.
So within a coming course of time, I will also be assertive for all those softwares. But
Yep.
as you told them, humbly we can start with some YouTubes and some crack versions.
Yes, yes.
So that I will try to make myself
Yes.
best.
So students never need to invest their 10,000, 20,000 into any kind of CAD center. They don't give anything. Even I would say that they don't know that much which is available on YouTube also. So students can easily learn from YouTube itself. Every software, each and every detailing is there. Every tool is covered in YouTube itself. So they don't need to go to any organization or any coaching. So now the students do not have excuse that they don't have money to invest in these coachings.
And everything that is free of cost available, and I have also explored them.
Yes.
A lot of tutorials are available. Small
Yes.
exercises are available. Yes,
Yes.
that is,
Yes.
and even communities are there for CFDs and ANSYS.
Exactly. Yes.
And
Yes.
sometimes they love to help you.
Yes, yes.
Yeah.
That's what the way you approach the people, the same way people will respond to you. Yes. So approaching is the key point, that you should at least start searching, you should start approaching, then definitely you will get the results.
When you are coming in India,
Recently I came to India, sir, actually, but because of COVID, I wanted to come to GLA desperately, but because of COVID, I could not come.
You are most welcome at GLA. We are waiting for you. Just after COVID, you make a program to
Yeah,
motivate your student at offline at GLA.
definitely, sir. Definitely. I would be very happy and I would feel very pleasure and very honored to come to GLA.
Yes, yes.
Yeah.
We are
Students,
also
yeah.
eagerly
Kumar ji,
waiting, and
students,
our students are also waiting for you.
Yeah.
Yeah.
students
We
can
will
ask
meet
something. Yes.
certainly.
I request other students
So
also
your
to
lecture
please
was
ask
very
queries.
wonderful,
Yeah. Thank you, sir.
and
Kumar ji,
students have done so many queries and got answered.
Yeah.
Kumar ji, students are still, if they want to ask, they can ask also. Students
So
are free
at
to ask.
last, I thank you very much, Mr. Shubham.
Thank
The
you.
students
Thank you
are
very much
asking
for-
queries. Yes. Please ask one by one. Lot of students are with us. I think in the participant list, I am observing 102 students.
Okay.
So, students, dear students, please ask your queries.
If you have any kind of query, you can ask to me. If I would be able to reply, then definitely I will reply and guide you.
Yeah. Mr. Satyaprakash, Mr. Sandeep, ask queries.
Whatever comes in your mind, just tell that. I think students have become bored.
No. They have got answered of all the queries. Your lecture
Okay.
was self-explanatory. So,
Yeah.
I have the contact number and email address of Mr. Shubham. So if in future you have any query, you can contact Mr. Shubham directly or with me. Mr. Pankaj Sonia sir have joined. I want to ask some few words about the Shubham. Mr. Sonia sir, please.
Subham,
Hello, sir. How are you?
Subham, are you getting my voice?
Yeah. I can hear you.
Fine.
How are you, sir?
कैसे हो?
मैं ठीक हूँ सर, आप बताइए कैसा चल रहा है सब कुछ?
तुम्हारा जो ग्रुप था ना सचदेवा नगाइच
हाँ सर, सब ये अभी सचदेवा इज हैंडलिंग
भूल
हिज
गए क्या
बिजनेस।
तुम्हारा?
हाँ नहीं सर, पता है मेरे को। सचदेवा अभी अपने फादर का बिजनेस ग्रो कर रहा है। नगाइच इज स्टिल इन पद्मिनी। और एक और था लड़का शशांक करके, जो मोटा सा था, उसके ही बारे में मैं अभी बोल रहा था। अभी उसने एलएनटी में उसका वो हो गया रिक्रूटमेंट, तो अभी उसने एलएनटी में।
सचदेवा तो पोलैंड का। हाँ, सचना।
क्या सर?
अच्छा, सचदेवा तो पोलैंड गया था। सचदेवा
नो
तो पोलैंड हुआ है ना
सचदेवा
business?
बिजनेस कर रहा है, अपने फादर का बिजनेस ग्रो कर रहा है वो। तो अभी वो कुछ नहीं कर रहा है। ही इज डूइंग बिजनेस, हिज बिजनेस, ही इज ग्रोइंग हिज ओन बिजनेस।
अच्छा, चलो अच्छा है, एंटरप्रेन्योर है और जॉब ऑफर कर रहा है सबको। मार्केट में जॉब क्रिएट कर रहा है।
एग्जैक्टली सर, यस।
और बताओ क्या चल रहा है?
सर सब बहुत अच्छा चल रहा है। वर्कलोड इज नॉट दैट मच हियर, और
कुछ
अच्छा
अच्छे
चल रहा है।
स्टूडेंट के ग्रुप है ये तुम लोगों का?
क्या सर?
हाँ,
हेलो।
प्लान करो जीएलए का।
हाँ सर, एक्चुअली आई वांटेड टू कम। मैं आना चाहता था सर। अभी जब मैं अभी रिसेंटली इंडिया आया था दिसंबर में, मैं जीएलए आना चाह रहा था, लेकिन ड्यू टू कोविड एवरीथिंग वाज शट डाउन, तो मैं नहीं आ पाया। अदरवाइज आई वाज डेस्परेटली वेटिंग टू कम टू जीएलए। Any student wants to ask something, please you can ask to.
Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon.
Sir, myself,
Yes, good afternoon.
Upadhyay.
Okay.
सर मेरे डाउट था, जैसे सर हम एक हमने मतलब जैसे बहुत सर्च किया है कि जैसे यूएस वगैरह में, कनाडा वगैरह में जॉब लेने के लिए 2-3 साल का एक्सपीरियंस होना चाहिए इंडिया का।
Exactly. they
सर ऐसा
they,
क्यों?
they want some experience. See, one thing I will tell to every one of you, out of India, every industry wants you to be perfect in your field, and perfection comes with experience. They don't hire new guys, they don't hire unexperienced guys, because here, if you will see either in US, Germany, Japan, UK, if a person is doing his job, then he is master in that job. He's master. No one can beat him in that kind of work. So that kind of mastery comes with experience. That's why it is difficult to be a fresher to get in any company. But if you opt the way to do a study here, for that also you have to apply visa. You have to have your English certificate, that how good you are in English. For that you need to write either IELTS or TOEFL or something. So in that way, you can come here in UK also. And seriously, I have seen here one of my friend from my batch pass out, Yadavendra Bhadoria. If any one of you, I think you would not be knowing him. He did. He started his job directly from Poland. He got selected in UFlex from college. He did 3 years job over there. Now he has come to UK. He is doing. He's pursuing business administration through Exeter University here. So, if you want to come out from India, this time only the way you need to pursue a course, either 1 year or 2 year course. And being a student here, you can earn your daily livelihood also. So here students do so many kind of jobs, and as I told that no job is bigger or smaller. So students do a kind of delivery boy jobs, that they do deliver pizzas, burgers to home. So that kind of job you can earn good money, no doubt.
So how can I join after got some experience in India?
Yeah, so that's how I came here. TechM was having a Bentley Motors project. I worked over there, and then I got promoted to crew here in UK. So you need to find a company who works for uh, multinational companies. Through that, there is a way that you can grow there yourself. And after that, if opportunity comes, you can come out of India. Or if you directly want to go for a job, being a fresher, it is not at all possible. After getting some experience, 2 years or 3 years of experience, you can try. But still, that visa, you need a sponsor for your visa. One thing. Second thing, all of before all of these things, you should, there is a point based system. You should cover all those points. At least you need to get 70 points to get your visa. Otherwise your visa would be rejected, because there are many categories. So the category for which you are applying, for that there are many criterias. You should cover all those criterias, and you should get a minimum point number. Then only your visa will be approved. This is your way of approaching, which I talked. Now the second way through which I came, I worked and I grew myself, did gained the good knowledge. Then my company directly promoted me here. So in that case, company will do everything for you. You don't need to bother about this. You just, in that case, you just need to learn. You need to show your good attitude of adapting the things. That's how you can come. In that way, I came here. Or if you want to directly go for a study after your BTech, in that case, you have to have a very good financial position in that scenario, because definitely it will take minimum 30 lakhs to to pursue any kind of course. That is damn sure. Yes. 30 lakhs, 30 lakhs is the minimum cost. So either you will take bank loan, or by the grace of God, you are financially sound, then you can afford this.
सर मैंने सुना है कि जो जर्मनी होता है उसमें सर ट्यूशन फीस 0 है सर, ऐसा मतलब क्या राइट है या रॉन्ग है?
यस, जर्मनी में, यूके में, सब जगह पे ट्यूशन फीस 0 है, लेकिन ये यूनिवर्सिटीज हैं, वो ट्यूशन फीस कहाँ तक की है? वो ट्यूशन फीस 0 उन लोगों के लिए जो वहाँ के ही सिटीजन्स हैं।
यस सर, ओके सर।
हाँ, yes, yes. So it is not easy to get the citizenship of any of these countries, because there are many big criterias, and to fulfill those criterias it takes hell lot of time.
सर आप वर्क वीजा पे होंगे सर वहाँ पे?
Yes, I am on work permit visa. Correct. So just keep learning. This is a very far thought for you as of now, but I would suggest, if you want to pursue any course from abroad, first get 1 year or 2 years of industrial experience from India. Then it would be easy for you to get in there. Otherwise, many student applies for the good universities, and everyone will not get right, because there are limited seats in every good industry, in every good university, sorry. So by having a industrial exposure of certain time, you will be privileged to enter in that university. And yes, so that's how you should come, I would suggest.
थैंक यू सर।
Yeah, no problem. Okay, anyone else?
Yes, dear students, please ask your queries. Don't hesitate. Take advantage of this time. So I think all the queries have been given answer of the queries of the students.
Yep.
So at last, I again thank you for giving us time from your busy schedule, Mr. Shubham.
I would
We
also say
will
thank you for
make
giving
long-term
this
relationship.
opportunity to me.
No, thank you very much. Our students have got benefit, and most of confusions you have removed. So thank you very much, and we will meet offline after some time in GL itself. And Mr. Manoj Kumar Agrawal sir have joined with us. So I want to say a few words for Mr. Shubham, Mr. Agrawal sir. Dr. Manoj Kumar Agrawal.
Hello, sir. Hello, sir. How are you?
How are you?
I'm doing good, sir. How are you?
I am fine. I'm very much glad to see you on screen. And you definitely we will take the advantage of your experience in future also.
Yes. Okay. Thank you, sir.
Okay. My best wishes with you.
Thank you, sir.
So nice meeting. So now we can end.
Okay, sir.
Thank you, Mr. Shubham. Thank you, everyone present over here.
Thank you.
Thank you very much.
Thank you very much for having me here. Thank you. Thank you.
Okay, thank you. So I am now leaving. Thank you.
Thank you.